So today I'll show you some of the tools that I used as a PhD student. So the number one tool that I need to use all the time is Overleaf. It's basically based on tech. And if you don't know what tech is, it's kind of a language used to format your documents or papers. So any paper that I write or any work that I turn in for my school assignments are pretty much written in Overleaf. And it's like a Google Doc, so multiple people can edit your code at a given time. So this is just an example that I'm showing. You can see the output on the right. You have the code here at the center, and then you can see there's a track changes option. You can see who changed what. Very convenient when you are working with a team. On the left, you can see the entire scene, the number of files, and usually we'll edit the tech file. And then we can also see the outline of our project, all the headings and the subheadings. Really convenient when you have a huge project. So this is the first thing that I used. And other benefits of using tech or Overleaf is that you can also create PowerPoint presentations, or I should just say presentations. They are PDF based, so you won't be able to put in videos or anything like that, but works pretty nicely when you have to like type in equations. Also, these graphs, most of the plots that you see here are made straight away in LaTeX, so they can be edited real time. So this is how I made this pie chart. So really convenient when you don't need to change anything, you can quickly do so right here. And typing in equations is really convenient. I think it's the most powerful thing that LaTeX does. Really convenient to type in the equations. And that's a bit of a learning curve, but once you are used to it, you can type in equations really fast. The second tool I use is called the Zotero, or the reference manager. Basically, as a PhD student, you'll be reading a lot of papers. So what it does is that you can organize all the papers that you read. So for example, if you are on the web and you find this paper and you just want to download, what you'll typically do is download the PDF, but with this tool, it comes with an extension, so you can save it to whatever location that you want, and it saves a PDF copy as well if it's available, if the paper is open. And then what you can do is you can just find papers in your library. You can put tags, you can see all the meta information, you can take notes, a lot of good things. So it also generates tags automatically, which is a really nice feature. And the best thing is that everything syncs across all the devices, so you don't have to worry about your research. You can read papers from any location. And it also comes with a built-in PDF viewer, or you can also highlight changes. Yeah, really convenient. The other tool that I use very often is GitHub. It's basically a reference manager. It's basically a version control system for your code. So as a PhD student, you'll be writing a lot of code, even though you may not be in the computer science department. So what I typically do is I maintain every single piece of code I write on GitHub. So for example, if I was working on this project, I can go back in time and take a look what exactly was changed. So for example, it will show line by line how everything was changed, who changed it, and then there's a lot of other things that you can do, but just for a brief overview, it's really helpful to manage your different code versions, and even if like multiple people are collaborating on the same code. Other tool that I use sometimes, not so much lately, is this Notion. So Notion is kind of a system where you can put in files and your write-ups together. So I can just show you some of the templates. You can create these nice to-dos. You can take lecture notes, or there's a lot of other things that you can do. Yeah, it's very nicely formatted, and you can also share away your pages directly as a web page, which is also a really nice feature. That's all for this video. Hope you like.